Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chicago Mandarin Chinese Center. My name is Andy Zhang. Today I'm going to show you a very frequently used Chinese character. The character we're about to learn today is pronounced the fourth tone 叫. It means to call, to be called as, or to shout. The part of the speech of this character is a verb, and therefore it often functions as a predicate in a sentence. From the animated image on the left, you can see this character is composed of 5 writing strokes with the left and the right structure. This character is listed as one of the most frequently used beginner level 1 characters in a Chinese proficiency test, or HSK. The writing stroke order of this character is shown as follows. This character was not found in oracle bone inscriptions, but it appeared in the bronze inscriptions in late Shang dynasty in Chinese history. Now let's take a detailed look into this character. The left part of this character means the mouth in ancient Chinese, and the right part means entangled long ropes. So, the metaphoric meaning of this character in ancient China is to shout in an extended voice. The meaning of this character gradually evolved with time going on. Today, the primary meaning of this character 叫 is to call or to be called as. The writing form of this character has experienced a few changes throughout the Chinese history. You can see how the writing form of this character evolved from one to another in different times of the Chinese history. This is the so-called regular script. It is widely used in various printing media in China today. Now, I'd like to share with you the usage of this character 叫. For example, 您叫什么名字? 您, you. 叫, to be called as. 什么, what. 名字, name. So you are called what name? Means what's your name? 请叫我老师. 请, please. 叫, to call. 我, call me. 老师, teacher. Please call me teacher. 您能帮我叫一辆出租车吗? 您 you 能 can 帮 to help 我 me 叫 to call 一辆 辆 is measure word 一辆 is one 出租车 taxi 吗 is question mark so you can help me to call a taxi 吗 means can you help me to call a taxi 请叫醒我请 please 叫 to call 醒 to wake up 我 me please call to wake me up 叫警察警察 means please call please 请叫救护车请 please 叫 to call 救护车 ambulance please call an ambulance Now I'd like to record all this phrase您叫什么名字？请叫我老师。您能帮我叫一辆出租车吗？请叫醒我。叫警察。请叫救护车。